Okay, so wheel lock adjustments are probably some of the most common adjustments that we do on a wheelchair in general. So on any of the Motion Composites chairs, you're going to need a 5mm Allen key in order to do that adjustment. So on the top here, we have 2 bolts. Which if I flip that upside down, you're going to see you've got 2 bolts here, and that's where your 5mm Allen key comes into play. So I'm going to loosen those 2 bolts off, but I'm not going to loosen them off too much. I would just want to loosen them off enough so that I can maneuver the pole here and play around with the brake, but not too much where everything just kind of starts falling off of the frame. So counterclockwise, I'm going to spin that bolt there. I'm going to spin that bolt there, and you're noticing that I'm not loosening it off too much. It's still staying intact, but I can actually manipulate it however I want. If you loosen it too much, then you're going to have to hold everything together while you're trying to figure out the right position for it. Now, in order to get a good amount of bite on the tire, we're going to want to use about 1/4 of an inch of adjustability or movement there to achieve that. So what I'd like to do is engage the wheel lock fully, simulating as if though you're putting the wheel locks engaged or engaging them fully. So you can see that it's all the way engaged there. And then from there, I'm going to actually push on this portion of the rail just so that this portion here buds up nice against the tire.